That's cool.
What is that? I'm sure Seth is very upset with that right now.
Like, what happens if you do upside down?
Upside down?
Yeah,
It's
like
90 degrees. Like thirds are better in face.
Oh, you could do triangles too.
Yeah. Ooh, star.
Pentagram.
Pentagram, right?
Hard to hit the, lost it. Put that in front of the lens, like close. Pull it back. Whoa. Trippy, man. I'm trying to use the car off. Turn on the camera.
I wonder if it's recording it like this, or if it's going to be recording it like different, how it comes off that lens. We're just seeing it different.
I think we're seeing pretty close to what it's going to be. It'll look like it does on the screen. That was quite random. Oh, that's fucking cool. Those CDs have to be listened to. Whoa.
Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum.
shadow of some Japanese or Chinese letters. Characters.
Just reflect into the TV.
Infinium CD.
Wow. That's a new one.
See real quick, let's see through this.
Yeah, it's sharp in front of the lens.
Nope.
I'm reflecting the TV into the lens.
Look at me holding my magical cup of water upside down. Wait till you get this thing.
That was totally one.
That was totally my water, man.
More. Oh my god. Where's that sweet spot? The red. That is freaking trippy. The red and the blue. Beautiful. I like that.
I think the lines are from the aperture of the camera.
Yeah, maybe.
If that's true, I can adjust that while Tom. I don't mean to put my hands on it so tough, but I'm changing it right now. I don't know if it's making much of a difference.
Oh.
Now it's going real low. Hold on, now it's going up to medium. Now it's going to start to go real high. It's at its highest, so it's going to get a lot of light where it's at right now. Okay, cold. Put it back into the middle.
You should be able to see through the sides of this CD.
Oh yeah, that's stopping.
Tuck this out so I can do what I want it. Let's try this orange cleaner. It's just cleaner, dude. We don't really have napkins to take my bit off.
Starts with cleaner and then it ends up jism before the night's through.
Oh, but there's no napkins. Yeah. I don't got tissue.
getting sound on this?
Should be.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we've been missing half of the experience.
Oh, the exciting world of sound.
Oh, look what I could do on top there.
What else do you got on your light?
Wow.
Can't get this thing to work.
That sounded pretty good to me.
I had it for a second. That's cool.
I'm gonna put my enormous penis into the screen. Oh yeah, look at that monster.
fucking huge.
Oh my god, the thing is crazy huge.
Seem to have digits, joints, knuckles. He's double jointed.
Yeah.
Bring it towards the screen. Ooh. Slow.
Oh man, someone left the bag. Yeah, well, when I put it up there, I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Alcohol abuse.
You know, alcohol abuse, you're gonna pack a bowl or what?
What's that have to do with alcohol abuse? Whoa.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
you are.
This is what to do when you have no drugs, kids. No drugs. Wait, can you get my nipple back in that shot? There we go. Oh yeah, get that tongue. Oh, yeah. Oh man, I need another beer. Ow!
It's too much reality. I'm done. Is the tape done? I don't think the tape's done, but I am.
I gotta start playing vintage tape up my poker chips and everywhere.
Pretty cool sounds.
Plastic thing. Probably up by dress then.
Box, you mean?
There's a plastic thing that fits into that box, although it doesn't actually fit in that box. Oh, it's down here on the floor. The whole thing got knocked.
You guys play some cards tonight?
Oh yeah.
Who won?
Roy won the major hand when there was 5 of us sitting down. We were talking to the 3 of us.
Citrus fruit.
What?
Oh, what fruit? Citrus.
I thought you said something about your sister. I'm like, shit, I'd fuck her too, yeah.
It's your sister's fruit.
Roy's got this sister, and the first picture I ever saw of her, like I'm looking at her legs, I'm like, alright. I get to her titties, I'm like, alright. I see her arms, they're not flabby, I'm like, alright. I get to her neck, it's all nice and long, I'm like, alright. I get to her face,
I got to the punchline.
it's Roy.
Really?
She looks exactly like Roy.
Have she entered your dreams yet?
I haven't had dreams about her, but I'm ashamed of the first thoughts that I had, Roy. Someone thought that was funny. Everyone else was like, dude, you're gay.
So you're saying if Roy were to shave his legs a little bit,
Maybe get a breast
you
implant.
probably try to throw a few shots on him.
Yeah, you just pussy out.
Whoa. You know about wax. Melting wax. That's the same candle that William S. Burroughs stuck in his ass while writing Naked Lunch.
Nice. Oh, good.
No.
You did say. Fire stick getting hot. You guys have a lot of ninjas.
Yeah, we do.
I like this here. No, not this. Looks some smoke in there. Blow some smoke in there.
No LSD required.